It's the weekend. We're just chilling. Nothing crazy going on today, just a little things here and there. But as a wife of a car guy, I know what's going on in the other room. I know there's car show after car show after car show, which is why I'm keeping my voice low. If I were to walk in there right now, I'd get schooled on all the different things that they're showing on those shows about how to do, did I know, do you know the history of. I'm going to take you in there and I'm just going to give you a little glimpse, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay. Did you see his feet on the couch? That's the sign, girls. If you're ready to have a car conversation, head in there. If you're not, just go about your business.